Well, it's early morning. Just got a call from this landowner that we got a couple of birds back here. So we're gonna just do a spur of the moment kind of scouting job. She said that there was one strutting back here, so we're gonna go back here, see how many gobblers there are, see if they're jakes, toms, that sort of thing. Got our camera on, got the camera all camoed up. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this carbon mask on my face because that's about the whitest thing out there in my hands. So this stuff should be pretty easy to take off, so I can go right back to work. So I'm gonna put this on and go down there and see if we can't see some birds. Well, we were just sitting in this pond thicket. I was scouting some birds in this particular hayfield, trying to see how many toms were on this field. I was paying way too much attention to the camera, trying to get the best shot from this far away, and out of nowhere, I mean, a coyote came within probably 10 yards. I was playing around with some calls here and there, but he walked right in at 10 yards, so I'll have to do some coyote hunting, but pretty cool stuff.